Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to use iPicky. I'm going to open up my Safari browser and I'm going to go to iPicky.com. I don't ever worry about signing in or paying for anything because there's so many options available for free, so we're just going to go to edit a photo. That was my last work. So I'm going to open the photo library. I have one already saved. You can go to add image and it would bring it up from your computer. But we don't need to do that, so I'm going to cancel because I already have this one up. I'm going to choose this one. This is a picture I took. Over here you can see there are so many options. We're going to go ahead and crop it as if the sunset and these two people walking are the main focus of our picture. Okay, and I'm going to hit apply because then we have cropped our photo. There are so many options over here. For instance, maybe go up on the sharpness a little bit and the clarity, and we're going to hit apply. You can play around with it. If there's anything you do not like, all you have to do is hit cancel and it cancels out the whole thing. There are certain ones, if you click on it, it says sign in. I don't ever worry about those because I'm not worried about having an account, so I'll just hit cancel. Okay, you could do black and white. This is always a favorite. I like the old-timey feel for it. I'm going to hit apply. And then, since I think that's enough, I'm going to go up here and I'm going to hit save. And I'm going to save it to my computer. Save to my computer again. And then I'm going to right-click, go to save image as, and I think I'll save it as beach picture. And I'm going to hit save. Then it should be saved. So I am going to X out and I am going to go to my Finder and I'm going to open it up. And that is the picture that we just edited. I hope this tutorial was informational. Thank you and have a nice day.